Okay, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm sure some of you guys know this, but there's two different throttles, as far as I know. And there's one that is by wire, and there's one that is by cable. Now, some of you guys may be able to tell me this, because some of you guys are more experienced than me. But the 2005 Road King has one that I believe is by wire. Has the two little things, that's how you could tell. Two little things right here. And again, it's really easy to adjust. You just get a couple pliers or a couple of wrenches and kind of mess with it a little bit. This Road Glide has one that is by cable, I believe. Maybe I got him wrong. But again, one thing that I would tell you that I don't like, I really don't like, is that. And again, maybe it's just this bike. Maybe some of the other bikes out there don't have that issue. And maybe there's a way to correct this issue. Let me know down in the comment section below. But here's the deal. It's kind of sticky to me. Like, it's a little sticky, and I don't like that. So sometimes when I'm trying to give some throttle, I can feel like sticking. And again, I'm trying to kind of like give it a little bit. I'm trying to be very, very precise. And it's annoying. It's just annoying. It is what it is. But again, it's just something that, you know, it is what it is, I guess. Now we're going to take a little ride. And we're going to talk about something that some of you guys are trying to do. And in fact, I'm a little bit experienced on this thing that I'm going to talk about, which is YouTube. I'm not the best YouTuber. I'm not. And the reason why I'm not the best YouTuber is because I don't do a lot of things that YouTube tells me to do. In fact, on my main channel, I got over 60,000 subscribers, and maybe I hit 20 million views already. Maybe I haven't, but it's like 19 point something, maybe 20 million views. And I have enjoyed it very, very much. I really have enjoyed it very, very much. Some of you guys that follow me from my main channel, thank you. I appreciate you guys being here. And to tell you the truth, I have made good money in social media. I have made good money in affiliate marketing specifically. And it's just something that I've been able to do. And everything that I have done, I have taught myself. I really have taught myself. It has been something that I have worked hard. No one have told me anything. I came from the Marine Corps background where I was a military police officer, and I served in, you know, in combat, Iraq and Afghanistan. And really my skills that I had nothing to do with video production. It had nothing to do with YouTube or anything like that. And again, if you hear my story or how I started making YouTube videos, it was primarily because I was home and I was injured from military service, and I decided to make videos because I was bored. And again, those videos kind of became something, right? So again, it is what it is. I do not want to be behind this guy. By the power of editing, I passed that guy. So again, it has been something that I've been working here in YouTube for a really long time. And when I started doing these videos here in the motorcycle channel, it was primarily because I enjoy riding. I love motorcycles since I'm a little kid. And you know what? I wanted to do something where I could record my, you know, my places that I go, my riding, talk to some people in a different way, right? If it gets monetized, great. And I am working towards that. I want the channel to get monetized and obviously, you know, build an audience. That's what I want to do as well. But I do have one thing that I know that a lot of people don't think about. And this is why the first reason why people don't make it on YouTube is that it takes a lot of work. A lot of people have the wrong understanding about this. A lot of people think that they could come here, make a couple videos, and that's it. And again, you know, you're going to be famous. You're going to make money. People are going to contact you and give you sponsorships. And that's not the reality. The reality is that most likely you're not going to make it. Most likely you're not going to be a famous YouTuber. Most likely no one cares about you. when it comes to your videos. That is the reality. And that's the understanding that you got to have. That it takes a lot of work to be able to build an audience. You got to be consistent. Number one, you got to be consistent. You got to show up. If you don't show up to your channel, how do you expect people to follow you? You got to answer your community. You got to be part of the community. If you don't take the time to answer a comment every now and then, how do you expect people to put comments and build a relationship with you? And again, I'm not saying that you're going to answer every comment, because you can't. My main channel, sometimes I can't answer every comment, but you got to show up. You got to make an effort. You got to every now and then do it. And I apologize, my voice is kind of messed up today, but it's not going to stop us from, making videos and, talk about these things. So I definitely believe that a lot of people come into this place right here to build an audience, to build a channel with the wrong expectation. Really the wrong expectation. And by having the wrong expectation, they going to have failure. They're going to. Because they expect that in 6 months and 50 videos, they're going to be famous. They're going to make money. They're going to quit their job. And that is not the reality at all, my friends. That is not the reality at all. It's going to take a lot of videos. And I'm going to tell you this right now, from having a channel that has over 2,000 videos, it's going to take you primarily, if you don't believe this, I don't know what to tell you. It may take you 300 to 500 videos before you see anything. Before you see anything. I remember the first time that one of my videos went crazy. I think it has like 1.2 million views or something like that. I believe I had about 6,000 subscribers around that time. My channel doubled. My channel doubled in one day. Of something like that. Don't call me because, I can't remember all those things. It was years ago. But the amount of subscribers that I got out of that video, it was insane. Truly insane. Man, I love seeing the Marine Corps flag being flown. It's so amazing. So, what a gorgeous day. I'm going to do one of my favorite things to ride by. You guys seen this in the channel. It's not new or anything like that. But I love this little route. It's so peaceful. And it's so nice. Every time I want to go and do a quick ride, I just jump in here. And I do this. And it's fun. It's a lot of fun. Oh yeah. This is the famous Orman loop. I'm not taking the loop today. I do want to do it with a 360 camera. I'm going to put time in the schedule to do that. And obviously at the end of the loop is the little sandwich place that me and Randy like to go. In fact, we're going to take a left here. I actually took my buddy Prince through that as well, and he enjoyed it very much. Look at this. Nice. How peaceful is this? It amazes me all the time what God created. Wow. So many beautiful places, so many beautiful countries, so many beautiful, things to do, amazing people, all by His creation. Look at this. You can go, buddy. You can go. I saw you. You in a rush, but I'm not. I'm taking my sweet time, baby. I'm looking at this. Me and Randy did a ride through here one time, and all this thing was floated. Big shout out to my boy Randy. He's an awesome dude. I just went there to see him, and I had dinner with him and his family. We had a great time, really great time. So anyways, like I was saying, people got the wrong expectation, really wrong expectation. And I think some people need to get the right expectation. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of music. And we're going to go through this, through the beach. I'll see you on the other side. Flagler Beach. Look at all this. I'm going to tell you, if you guys come and visit Flagler Beach, this is an awesome place. Awesome. I'll tell you guys, look at how awesome it is. This is a great place. Florida is a great place to live. Look at the beach. It's amazing. Truly, truly amazing. And all these houses right here, you could obviously rent them and obviously stay there. Now, if you push a little bit forward, there is going to be a lot of restaurants. And I'm going to tell you, there are some good ones. Really good ones. Places where you could go and have dinner, lunch, whatever. If you like to, you know, enjoy yourself, have a couple drinks. There's places like that too as well. This place right here is supposed to come with Randy, and we haven't. They're supposed to sell like an amazing steak. So, again, beautiful place right here in Flagler Beach. I'm sure that a lot of guys know this is A1A right here. And this place right here, Oceanside, is an awesome place too. Me and Stacy have gone there a couple times, really a couple times. But again, Flagler Beach is an awesome city. We really enjoy. We really enjoy it. We're about 15 minutes away from here, so we come here, not all the time, but we come here plenty enough. If we want to have fun, we come here. Actually, hurricane season is started already, so It's getting kind of crazy. Oh, it's gonna get kind of crazy around here soon. So anyways, I just wanted to come up here and talk a little bit about this. Talk a little bit about the expectation, right, that a lot of YouTubers have. And although I'm, motovlogging here in the channel, what I just say, it doesn't apply just to motovlogs. It applies to the entire YouTube system. I tell you guys that I'm not the best YouTuber out there, and I feel that I have hurt myself big time in my main channel because my topics are very controversial. And then my choice was to kind of readjust and not make those kind of videos or follow my passion. And I decided to follow my passion, and obviously because I've done that, it has affected my growth a little bit. I'm not going to get into that here in this channel, but I definitely feel like it has affected me a little bit because of the decisions that I have made. If I wouldn't want to run that channel as a business channel, as something that I want to essentially make money and build some kind of large income, because that channel does pay me money, but a large income, I would not utilize, or I would not cover the topics that I cover in that channel. So again, it's kind of up to you. There's definitely some things that YouTube wants you to do, and again, it's up to you to decide how you're going to run your channel. But the basic concept of being there for the people is just something that you really have to understand. You got to be there for your community. You got to say, you got to show up. You got to do content. You're a content creator, so you have to create content. It's just some things that people got to do that they don't want to do. People think that they're going to come here and become famous. And that is not the reality. Not at all. It's freaking hot. Alright, we're going to go up this bridge. And we're going to end the vlog. Oh yeah. Cops right there at the end. We all know the bike is going to go faster. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. And as always, God is in control.